What's up guys, and welcome back to my channel. So before we start this awesome video, my Quavo is called Bubblegum, you dig what I'm saying? Before we start this video, I just want to briefly talk about the people who sponsored this video today. I will leave all of the information down below so that you guys can go and check that out. But without further ado, let's get straight into it. So right now I have in 18 inches of a deep wave. Well, it's kind of curly to me, but it's like a deep wavy full lace wig. It's actually 18 inches. Another thing would be, I actually have it on my phone right here, and I'll leave it like down below so that you guys can know exactly what I have in my head right now. It comes pre-plucked. The density is 150%, meaning that basically it is filled with volume and stuff like that. Like, you don't have to worry about it thinning out. You don't have to worry about it shedding. You don't have to worry about like you kind of don't have to worry about a lot when it comes to this, because it's gonna be thick. What I use to treat it, I just basically use all conditioners. I don't use any shampoos. You can actually wear this up in a ponytail, as I said before, because it is a full lace. You don't really have to worry about tinting the frontal because it already comes tinted. But if you want to, if you're like a darker complexion, or if you're like my complexion and you want to kind of like make it a little bit darker, I would recommend you basically just using your powder on top of the lace so that you guys can have it to melt on your forehead, you dig what I'm saying? Or just use the cap method and just put your makeup on top of the cap and then put the wig on. But other than that, it doesn't shed. I don't see anything wrong with it. I've been wearing it for a long time now, and I kind of wanted to do that because I didn't want to just jump in and just let you guys be like, oh well, dang, you just got the hair and you think that it's good. Like, no, I like to take my time when I do these kinds of reviews so that you guys can get the full freaking, I don't know, like the full experience, if that makes sense. So yeah, another thing would be that, yes, as you guys can see, this is like a deep wave. Like, I'm trying to pull out one of the curl patterns. This is the actual wave pattern. I actually just went to the gym and I took a shower and I had it up in a bun, so it's probably kind of looking a little puffy, but usually the curls are more formed. But yes, that's it for